Hello everyone, today I will show you how to ungroup shape on a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and click on this down selector and select annotation. Now click on this group shape and see this two of this now group. Also click here, this two shape also group, and see this. You can change this two shape color and properties at once. See this, and simply select and press right button for your mouse key and select ungroup. Now click here and see this one by one now selected. You can change it, also, and this one, these two now group, and I'll select ungroup and see this one by one now selected. You can change it, you can change this one also. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.